In terms of geography, seas are smaller than oceans and are usually located where the land and ocean meet. Typically, seas are partially enclosed by land. Seas are found on the margins of the ocean and are partially enclosed by land. It is defined only by ocean currents. Oceans are vast bodies of water that cover roughly 70% of the Earth. Seas are smaller and partially enclosed by land. The 5 oceans of the Earth are in reality one large interconnected water body. In contrast, there are over 50 smaller seas scattered around the world. The Red Sea is a seawater inlet of the Indian Ocean, lying between Africa and Arabia. The connection to the ocean is in the south, through the Bab el-Mandeb Strait and the Gulf of Aden. To the north lie the Sinai Peninsula, the Gulf of Aqaba, and the Gulf of Suez. The Red Sea is a global 200 ecoregion. An ocean is a body of saline water that composes a large part of a planet's hydrosphere. In the context of Earth, it refers to one or all of the major divisions of the planet's world ocean. They are, in descending order of area, the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. The average depth of the ocean is about 12,100 feet. The deepest part of the ocean is called the Challenger Deep and is located beneath the western Pacific Ocean in the southern end of the Mariana Trench, which runs several hundred kilometers southwest of the U.S. territorial island of Guam.